everyone, today I am going to teach you how to create a Snapchat account. As you all know, Snapchat is a very well-known social media platform where you can send a message or video message to your friend. So let me show you how it can be done. First of all, go to Google Play Store and download Snapchat. Once you have downloaded, open it. As I have already downloaded it. First of all, tap on Snapchat application on your device. Can see sign up and below is login. Basically, login is for the account you have already created. We are going to tap on sign up. Once you have tap on sign up, tap on allow. You can see here first name, so you have to provide your first name. As this is a demo video of how to create a Snapchat account, so I'm gonna give random username for this one. Then tap on continue. After that, you have to give your date of birth. Tap on continue. Now for your account, your username will be the given one, but if you want to change your username, you can tap on change my username and you can change your username. It's per you want. But if you are satisfied with the given username, you can tap on continue. Now you have to give a password for your Snapchat account. Now tap on continue. You have to give your email address or phone number, but I will give my email address. After that, tap on continue. You have to give your mobile number for the verification code. Once you have typed in your mobile number, tap on finish. Now the code is automatically filled. And here I have successfully created my Snapchat account. That's it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel and see you guys in next video. Thank you.